Okay, so I want to show you some tips and tricks on the Boss RC300 loop station. Something very handy, because this is a foot setup, right? 1, 2, 3, that you kind of step on with your feet. You don't want to be going down and changing the track to a different setup. It's kind of annoying. You know what I mean? And you also don't want to be going into the effects and having to change the effect by clicking here, then going along, and then choosing the effects type you'd like to use. Okay, so go here, then you go along, and then you choose the effects type you'd like to use. That's to choose the effect. But what I was going to teach you now, one of the tricks is, if you leave this button down until everything starts flashing, now when everything's flashing, here, where it says memory, will take you up a track or down, depending on where you'd like to go. And here, we'll put your effect, change your effect to a different effect, depending on what you need. So, we're back on delay. Okay, so if you want to change that, I'll show you again. You pause this down. Flashes, this side does your effects, so let's put a... Okay, so basically that's it. So by leaving this one pushed down, you can go up and down your effects here, and up and down on your tracks here. Very handy to do when you're using your feet. Okay, so that's pretty much a general overview on the Boss RC300 loop station, which we love. Very useful, very fun, cool toy. There are other features like the amount of time each loop will last until the loop comes in. I have it set up so when I press it, it starts recording, and when I press it again, it will take that piece of time. Okay, that's in the setup. I'll teach you how to do that on the masterclass. And also this pedal here we have not spoken about can control your volume of the whole tracks, can control one effect, can also let the effect in and out, and can do some other funky stuff too. But more in depth is going to be in the masterclass in the future. Okay, so this is a basic setup. Please, if there's anything you'd like to know about it, just write a comment down below, and we'll figure it out with you and share it. Share the love, people. Share the music. Peace.